So I purchased the rinse kit pod. It's a smaller version of the larger rinse kit, the rinse kit plus. Here's what it is. If you have the room, just get this. But anyway, it's a small little portable thing. It comes with the hose adapter, 3/4. You're going to take that, screw that onto a hose, and take off the shower head that was on it previously. Attach that barb to the new quick release where the hose used to be. Turn on the water. It's about a 30-second fill time. So go ahead and reattach the shower hose, the garden hose, whatever you want to call it. Set it to shower setting. And that's where we're going to test the time. So I sprayed it in bursts, but just want to kind of show overall the runtime. So after all our testing is done, is the rinse kit pod a good shower? I guess it depends on how you're using it. The downsides, you have to fill it from a hose. You can unscrew a cap, which I didn't show, pour in water and pressurize it yourself. I didn't try that. It seems like a good option, but you have to buy that separately. So adding that to the cost, I don't think it's worth it. But it does heat up pretty quick. I left it in the sun for probably about, was it like an hour-ish? And the water was pretty hot. The container's black and definitely retains a lot of good heat. And I was in New York, so I'm sure it's even better, you know, out in sunny west areas of the country. So overall, if it was a 10 out of 10, probably give it like a 6 or a 7. It works, but there's definitely better options out there.